What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about lead flow. We're going to talk about volume specifically. Understanding that volume needs to be your best friend. Your lead flow has to be up there. It has to be flowing. If it's not flowing, then there's no cash flowing, right? We've got June ahead of us. It's a 5-week month, so it's an excellent time to break new records individually and collectively. So let's make sure that we stay focused. Let's make sure that we hit these goals, break these records, reach new heights, make more money, hire more people, buy more leads. That way we can, just do better than before. So the volume is our best friend. It's my best friend. And what I mean by that is just having more leads, having more people to talk to, whether it's hiring or whether it's just people that we're going to sell life insurance to or help them enroll in the program, right? You can never have too many. It's something constant and very something repetitive that I hear all the time from Andrew Taylor and Sean Mike and all the top managers. They always talk about just buy more leads. And the truth is that it all starts and ends there. And, I recently heard Sean was saying that, restaurants, to be in business, they have to buy what? They have to buy food, right? You go to a restaurant, you expect food, certain type of food, whatever the type of restaurant that it is, but that's something they can consistently buy all the time so they could stay in business, right? In our business, we're not in the restaurant business, we're in the life insurance business specifically. So guess what we need to buy? We need to buy leads. Because if we are not buying leads, then we are for sure 100% going to go out of business either today or tomorrow. So we need to understand that buying leads is the first thing. Before the phones, before the activity, it all starts and ends with the leads, right? So I strongly suggest, right, it's Monday, it's a dial day for the majority of you. I think a few of us hit the field on a Monday. Whatever you're doing, dial day or field day, you can always continue to buy more leads. Now, you guys already know we have a lot of lead vendors out there. Personally, I like to stick with the CRM only. Why? They're easily accessible. You don't have to wait two or 3 days for the order to kick into your email and you have to download those leads. You buy the lead, a minute later, they're in your CRM. You can export them. You can put them in phone burner, whatever, right? That's one reason. Number two, they're also the cheapest, right? 50-cent leads ranging from 50 cents to $11. So that's what I'm doing. That's what the top producers are doing. I've talked to a lot of them. And even if you haven't talked to them personally, you can just see from all these videos. Again, I keep referring to convention because I learned so much from that. And these people, these top producers, right? And you can just look at their numbers. They're buying a lot of leads, right? Now, whether it's CRM or other vendors, I don't think that matters so much. I know I said I like to stick to the CRM because that's my preference, but as long as you're purchasing these leads, that's going to give you a lot of confidence, because having confidence in this business comes from having a lot of appointments. You can't have a lot of appointments if you're not having a lot of leads, right? So if your day is going great, log into the CRM, place another order of leads, whatever you have to do. If your day is going bad, do the same thing. Just keep buying more leads, keep placing more orders, because essentially what you're going to be doing is you're going to be giving yourselves more opportunities to talk to more people. And that's what business is all about, right? The person, he or she, that talks to the most people wins, right? So again, whether that's hiring or selling, either one, it goes both ways, right? So let's stay focused. Let's make sure that we understand that. Let's make sure that we're also managing our money properly, right? This is an excellent opportunity to make a lot of money. We don't want to be foolish, though, and then just start spending it. Make sure you're reinvesting that, setting your money aside properly for leads. That way you can consistently continue to have a business every day and every single week. So purchase those leads, dial them, and go to work.